What I tell all my clients is this is a financial decision you have to make for yourself. For instance, a lady was at my office just today, $40,000 in credit card debts. Her average monthly payment was $800 a month. As I told her, that works out to $9,600 per year. It may take you, they tell you it's going to take you about 5 years to try and pay all this off. Would you rather be paying that $9,600 a year for the next 5 years? Or would you rather take all that money and put approximately $50,000 in the bank for you and your family? In the old days, it was difficult enough to file a bankruptcy. These days, since the Reform Act of 2005, it's made it just that much more difficult for the average person to try and file a bankruptcy. There's many loopholes, there's many pitfalls for the unwary. For instance, there are certain classes that need to be completed and timely filed with the court. The certificates must be filed with the court. In addition, if the paperwork isn't filed out just perfectly, the trustee who's appointed to your case will actually make a motion to have the case dismissed. Many a client has come to me with their paperwork in such disarray that I can't even go back into the court and help them. We just have to let it get dismissed and start from scratch. No, you won't lose everything. A big misconception is that in a bankruptcy, everything gets liquidated. In fact, 99% of all bankruptcies are what are known as no asset cases. A no asset case means that we have an exemption that will protect each and everything you own. One of the big mistakes a lot of people make is they drain all their retirement accounts before coming to see me. We can show you how to actually keep all your assets and still file the bankruptcy to get rid of all the debts. On top of that, in most cases, the debtor or my client has a wild card exemption, which is $23,250. That's over and above all the other exemptions. So oftentimes we have cases where people have as much as $20,000 sitting in their regular bank account and still file. So that's a big misconception that everything's going to be taken away.
There are a number of rules as to when you can file bankruptcy again under different situations, and I would say that that is a case-by-case basis. The short answer is that, yes, you will be able to file a bankruptcy again. The question is just how quickly. Generally, a person who has filed a Chapter 7 can file another Chapter 7 again after 8 years, and a Chapter 13 after 4 years. However, I would invite somebody who's got a question in that regard to give us a call. Let's look at your specific situation and work out some sort of a plan. If we can't file it today, at least we'll know when we can.